Are you stuck and you just can't make any money online? Well, if that seems to be the case, trust me, I can relate to you, and so can this gentleman right up here named Ryan Hildreth. This gentleman right here earns thousands of dollars a day, every single day online, and understand one thing. He was just like you and I. He used to flip burgers at In-N-Out, and it wasn't that long ago. There are tons of success stories just like Ryan Hildreth right here. And if you want to see success now in 2020, then you need to stick with me through this entire video, because I'm going to show you exactly how this gentleman right here learned how to generate 168,000 subscribers and started earning thousands of dollars a day online. This is the #1 place that you want to learn how to do this. So without further ado, stick with me through the entire video. Let's get straight into this. Now listen up and pay close attention, because the information that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video has the power to absolutely transform your life, my friends. Look at this gentleman right over here, Ryan Hildreth, right? This guy is earning thousands of dollars a day online. Look at him in his uniform right there. This was 2 to 3 years ago. He was flipping burgers at In-N-Out. And now what is so much different about him than you and I? Just two things, my friends. He got the right information in front of him and he took action. Now we can do this exact same thing. I know myself, I've worked a ton of crappy jobs, and I know that I've tried all kinds of different crazy businesses over this past 15 years. I've chased around my friends and family, tried to sell them all kinds of crazy, crappy products. People started avoiding me. I've tried real estate. I've tried all kinds of businesses, you guys, since I was in high school, and all I did was waste my time and waste my money. Now, how do you have really good, fast success and start earning thousands of dollars online and start to see success now, right now in 2020? How can we do this fast? How can we do this in 15 days or less? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how Ryan Hildreth right here was able to achieve these results. And by the way, I'm receiving some insane amount of results on my channel and in my own business, just doing the exact same thing that this gentleman right here, Ryan Hildreth, is doing. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started and exactly how you can change your life. Understand one thing here. We are relatable to Ryan. He came from the bottom, and we can do the exact same thing. We just need to take action and get the right information in front of us, step by step by step, that shows us exactly what we need to do to build a successful online business. And what I want to ultimately do in this video is save you a ton of time and a ton of money so that you can have success fast and see success right now in 2020. Now listen up and pay close attention, because what I'm going to be sharing with you right now will absolutely blow your mind. If you're serious about making money online, this is it right here. Check out the link down in the top of the description of this video. This is going to take you to my affiliate sales funnel. You want to enter your name and email address, and you want to get started right now. Why? Because this is exactly where Ryan Hildreth himself got started learning how to make money online. You don't believe me? I'm going to show you right now proof on this page right here. Where we're at is my legendary marketer back office right here. And what this shows us right here is this scorecard. And what this scorecard shows is exactly how much money, well, not precisely, but a figurative amount of how much money these individuals are making using Legendary Marketer. Now, if you're not familiar with what Legendary Marketer is, it's a legitimate company that has shown me step by step, honestly, exactly how to make an insane amount of money online and build a successful business. Now, if you are like me, when I got started, I've been scammed so many times, and that was my biggest fear. I didn't want another scam in my life. I wanted something real, something raw, something that showed me step by step by step exactly what I needed to do so that I could succeed. And I imagine that you're searching for the exact same thing, right? You don't want to waste your time. You don't want to waste your money. You want to get started. You want to get started fast, and you can be up and doing this in 15 days. So check out that link. Now, I want to show you some really important information here. What you're going to notice right here is that Ryan Hildreth himself, in the last 30 days, These are the top people making the most money on Legendary Marketer in the last 30 days. And look where he ranks. Right up here at number 2, Ryan Hildreth. He's ranked 4 times gold. Now, what does that mean? If we click right over here where it says click for definitions, it's going to show us what gold means. And he's ranked 4 times gold. Now, you can see right here that gold is $10,000 in commissions right there. So knowing that he's 4 times gold, he's made $10,000 4 times over, and I believe he's made way more than that because he has 128,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. So that's a second income stream, and he's probably promoting other products as well. But what's great here about Legendary Marketer and promoting something that's honest and that actually works and can absolutely change people's life is you can be yourself. You can talk about things that actually work. And that's just meant the world to me, you guys. And what's great also is that Legendary Marketer gets you up and running in 15 days or less. I want to show you right over here. They have a 15-day business challenge. Now, understand, Ryan got started with something similar. I'm not sure what it was 15 years ago, but this is exactly where I got started. If you check out my channel, I'm making money online. I'm not making thousands and thousands yet. It takes work. I want you to understand, my friends, that it does take serious work, but you can absolutely do this. Look at Ryan. He was in his in and out uniform. I've done the exact same thing. I'm following this recipe to success, and in less than a year, I'm generating income online passively while I sleep. I just woke up last night to emails in my inbox telling me that I've earned commissions overnight for things that I've done once. Yes, you guys, passive income. This is exactly where it's at. Now, check this out right here on this page. What you can see right here is they break this down day by day. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and all the way down here to day 15. By day 15, you guys, you have a business set up online, your very own online business where you can start generating income. It's going to take some work. We need serious individuals that are ready to take action and get the right information in front of you. Now, understand the difference here. When I was searching around online 8 years ago and all the different things that I've done, I've never had the right information. I was always looking for somebody to just tell me, do this, Chad, not this, step by step. What do I do? How exactly do I build this? That's how my mind works. Maybe your mind works differently, but if somebody gives you a blueprint and tells you exactly where to place everything and how to build it, how to set it up, the exact recipe that they're doing to find success, just like Ryan's and mine, why can you not implement that and start getting the same exact results? It's just like the recipe to bake a cake. If you follow the recipe to a T, you're going to get similar results. So here's how you get started, my friends. The most important thing that you can do when you get signed up in the link in the top of the description, and you get to this page right here and sign up for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, the first thing that you want to do is you want to click right here where it says schedule now and schedule your business phone call. You're going to get all kinds of free bonuses when you do this. And you're also going to get your own mentor coach that's going to coach you through this 15-day business challenge, that's going to tell you exactly what you need to be doing and what strengths and what things are going to work for you so that you have the best results the fastest. Just think of it like this. If you were going to go join a gym, you would want to get a personal trainer because the personal trainer would tell you how to eat. They would tell you what weights to lift so that you could get the best results. You could lose the most weight the fastest so you could bulk up the fastest. This is exactly what's happening right here on Legendary Marketer. They've laid it out step by step, telling you exactly what to do, and they have a whole team of experts, your own personal coach that you can schedule right here. That's the most important thing, you guys. 99% of the people that succeed are the ones that schedule their call and get started fast. They take action, massive action, and they don't stop. They never quit. I just want to say something really personal, and I want you to think about this for yourself. I want you to think about what's even prompting you to type in how to make money online. Is it something horrible? Something bad happened? Do you just hate your job? Do you need more money? Do you need more time freedom so that you can hang out with your friends, your family, so that you can go travel the world? Do you want to make money online? Do you want to have passive income, make money while you sleep? Do you want to become the first millionaire in your family so that you can absolutely transform the lives of all your family members and teach them how to do what you're doing. If this sounds like you, if you're serious and you want to get started, this is the place right here. Stop searching around on the internet. This is it. I'm going to leave you with that, my friends. I tried to dump as much valuable content that I possibly can into this video. It's super important that if you found any value in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, because I come out with videos just like the one you're watching right now every single week. And make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with more content. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Check in with me. And, let me know where you're from, whatever. Just let me know you're here and drop me a comment. I always appreciate that. I believe in you, because if I can do this, I know that you can do this. Start believing in yourself. Take action. Stop thinking about what you're going to do in the future. You need to take action today. That's the difference between people that find success and the people that procrastinate and never do anything. You're going to work hard anyways for somebody else. Why not work hard for yourself and invest in you so that you can grow a successful business, my friends? I believe in you. That's all I'm going to have for you today. I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.